Alright guys, I got something of a treat today because for once I get to watch somebody else work. I'm over here at Power RV in Mesa, Arizona, and they have the Sightseer. It's about a 2005-2006 Sightseer Winnebago that needs a new awning fabric on the patio awning. And I get to watch other people do that, and these guys actually know what they're doing. He's a good friend of mine, and he's gonna let me go ahead and record it. Obviously I can do this, but not as well as they do. You know, I think that's how you lose your legs. It's not OSHA approved. These RV awning guys. That's mad skills. That's even more mad skills. I've never done this way before. You guys think like 10 minutes you'll be done? 20. What? 20. 20?
On a good day, about 16 minutes.
I don't think the day gets any better than today.
Front sets out, back still in.
Oh, yeah. Want to do that, or you're going to catch your canopy. This took about 20 years to learn. Then you get the underside because you can still cut it.
Yes. That's a thoughtful awning guy.
Yes, sir.
Or a guy that doesn't want to replace his fabric again.
You get the rivets out of the tube.
Oh, you get the rivets out. You're much better than an RV technician.
You don't want any flickers in there, don't you?
What's that called? It's not a bug, it's a feature? So where you know if it's windy? The rattles.
That's right, or it's nighttime, you have an electric awning, it's coming out, but you don't know it's so quiet, but you hear the clicker. Click, 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 click. That's called the nighttime clicker.
Good nighttime. You could have saved this fabric.
Thanks, sir. You're on, colored me.
Man, you guys do everything. I'm glad I recommend you guys.
We're glad you recommend us as well.
Would you like me to pull it for you? Well, I mean. Ah, there it went.
Oh,
That was fast.
Give this to the customer at the end so they know their part number. We put on there. 1-year warranty on all awning fabric.
Is it? Hey, you gonna throw that away?
No, this is actually a new Carefree of Colorado stocking canopy.
Oh, that's right. That's right. That's right. Yeah.
Carefree.
Yeah, I guess I did just notice there's only one insert on it.
On these rollers, it always pays off because it came on really easy, no cutting and no tearing the fabric. So it's very important. 3. I guess.
so it doesn't.
shift on the roller tube left and right.
3, huh? You have big fingers.
That's good. So what you do to set this so the fabric doesn't shift back and forth on the tube and then it won't close correctly, we put set screws in it.
Oh, okay. You guys think of everything.
Put the set screw inside the hem there.
It's hidden.
This is the strongest part of your canopy, is the hem. You don't want to compromise that.
Not the her, huh? There's the other one going in.
Thank you.
It's my pleasure to do very little.
Did it well.
This poly is real stretchy,
Yeah, I saw that.
so you got to take it and push back his way before we cut the excess off.
And now it's confined inside, huh?
Pushing towards you.
Aye aye.
Cutting excess.
Excess aye aye. All secure. Full chat we need?
Yes, sir.
Aye aye.
The old one was turning green.
Roger, Dodger.
You know, those Milwaukee Power Riveters are pretty nice.
Yes, my birthday's in September and Christmas is Christmas, so I'll be looking for one of those maybe in the mail, or I'll just buy it myself.
I highly recommend it.
You would recommend then?
What's that?
You would recommend that?
Yeah, you want to try it?
Sure, I'll try it.
Okay.
Cheating. It even spits it out for you. That's amazing. That takes the fun out of your grip strength.
You ever pinch your fingers doing rivet guns?
I've pinched my fingers. I've pinched my stomach at the end of the day when you're really leaning in on it because you're tired.
That's okay, it'll push out.
All right. That's awesome.
How many you going for?
So make sure your vice grips is on there good and tight.
Uh-huh.
Go for 14. Always maintaining control of the vice grip.
I have a lot of scars on my hands from not doing that. Away from the top, huh?
The front has a brake on it. The rear does not.
Correct.
That's the dangerous one.
You guys might notice he already has the bolt in his mouth. He knows what's going on there. The front one's easy. The back one is scary.
Five aye aye.
Well, that was too easy.
Not done.
Wow. Couple set screws and you're done. That way it doesn't slide back and forth. But you guys got it rolled up straight the first time.
I'm perfect. Perfect.
17.6. With a proper clearance.
Rear handle check. That part works.
All secure.
All secure. All too easy, guys.
Now it's time for some more windshield time to the next job. We spend most of our time actually in the truck driving all over Phoenix. And I'm okay with that.
That's pretty good. It would have taken me a lot longer.
You don't do them all day, every day, so it should.
All right, Stacy. Well, thanks for sharing that with me. That was fun. I said thanks for sharing that.
You bet, man. Thank you for sharing. And you guys don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. And hit the little bell for notifications.
You know, he's one of my first subscribers.
Okay, so I drill the rivets out.
Wait, what is this?
The rear torsion spring on a Weather Pro.
His first time as an apprentice?
First time is welcome to the industry kind of hazing.
Uh-huh.
Because there's tension on that spring, but it's okay, there's a pin in it. So not knowing what I was doing, I drilled the rivets out and I lightly grabbed the end of that Weather Pro, and as soon as I cleared the tube, it unwound.
Ah!
It unwound about 10 times right across my fingers and my knuckles. So he says, "Do you need to go home now?" As I'm jumping around in pain. I said, "No, let's just get some tape and keep working."
You are an RV tech.
I'm an awning tech. I don't have the G2 to do RV stuff.
Oh.
And the G2, your military viewers will know what that is.
Off to the next one, guys.
Off to the next one.
Awning parts.
All them nice parts.
Those stripes. All kinds of goodies you run into that sometimes are broken or needed when you're far, far away from home base.
Yes. You guys think, but hey, let me ask you a question.
Yes, sir.
Can I have this?
Is that the foamy one?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, you want a little bit more? We've got plenty.
Thank you much.
You betcha.
Thank you kindly.
James, thank you very much.
Have a great weekend, guys. That's really dangerous.